Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Corbyn Besson, I think that is the first time on Garden Guitar, so it's about time we have the song called Don't Run. Alright, so just stay here and let's play some guitar together. Don't run. Let's start this song with the capo set on the 4th fret. Alright, capo 4th, that will be the easiest scenario for us both to handle the short little melodies there and the strumming with the chords. So with that capo on the 4th, we have 4 different chords to learn here. So let's go into the chords, starting with A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next. That will be to play 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, 3rd E, and the final chord will be F. That's a bar chord where you play the index finger, cover all strings on the 1st fret, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright. So we have one chord progression when it comes to the verse, and then one when it comes to the pre-chorus and the chorus, and that's it. So we're gonna learn to play it first finger picking style and look at the different variations there of the verse and chorus, and then into the strumming and follow the same pattern there. So the A minor picking now for verse, which is the chord progression A minor C F, that will be for 2 times. So that is to play open A, 2nd D, and 1st B. So 2 times on that. Then comes C. For 2 times as well. So 1 round is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and open high E. For 2 rounds it goes. And F will be, that's for 4 times. So 1st fret on E string in the bass, 3rd D, and 2nd G. 4 times of that will be, that will end 1 round, okay? That is the verse play, so 1 chord progression in the verse will be like this. Alright? And that is the verse. Now over to pre-chorus / chorus, which is played in the same way. Now you have the A minor and F in the same way there, but we have the G instead of C. So the G chord will be like that. So that will be 3rd fret on E string in the bass, open G, and 1st B. And that chord replaces the C. You played C for 2 times, now you play G instead for 2 times. So the chord progression now, like I said, for pre-chorus and chorus will be A minor 2, G 2, and F 4. And that will sound. There you have the song in the picking style. All right, now you wanna switch up into strumming perhaps, and then we're gonna have a string pattern that matches this certain of picking style. All right, so it matches perfectly. So if you go to the 1st chord again, the A minor, now of course you need to hold the full chords as they are, depending on if you are in the verse play or chorus play. We're gonna go into the chords now and use that chord progression A minor G F. All right. So you're gonna play A minor with 2 string rounds, and one will be like this: down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. And a couple of rounds. And I'm gonna play the same amount of string rounds as you play for the picking rounds. So that means A minor 2, G2, and F4. Let's go. Again, A minor, G, G, and F. this a little bit slower so you get the feeling for it. And the standard tempo is a little bit faster, so somewhere there, I believe, not sure, but anyway, practice slowly and gradually you work your way up to the standard tempo. That is how you handle Corbyn Besson's Don't Run. So thank you for watching, guys, and if you would like to subscribe to the channel, that would make my day. And till next time, guys, play tuned.